You know, Okudili and Juliana, they have fixed a date for their wedding. And if you ask me, I would say it's a whole bunch of good news for me. So, the dice has changed to my favor.
What favor? What are you talking about? Listen, marriage is not a child's play at all. No. At my level, I must look before I leap.
My prince.
Yes.
I have never restrained you from having access to my body. So what makes you think I am not fit enough to be your wife?
Do you realize I'm a prince? No, I ask you again, do you realize I'm a prince? And as a prince, before I marry, I must seek royal consent, first of all.
But my prince...
Look, let's not even argue about that, okay? I'm not in the mood to furnish that with a reply. Let's go. Oh, by the way, after I leave, take 10 minutes before you come. You know, people don't have to see me and you together coming out from a room. It's a status thing, huh? Status thing. It's a status thing, okay? 10 minutes, huh?
Everybody want to follow the prince, yeah. Everybody want to marry the prince, yeah. See these girls who they disgrace their mama. Desperate chicks, they want marry the prince, yeah. Jai, they no say the prince in Nabadoski. With his so much power, just like he in the Boski. Onya balo potano soka bakwa no nyazo. Okuba fa senses no one by one. They are desperate.
Man, what is it? What is it, eh?
I don't like how you're treating me this morning.
Don't say that, man. Don't say that. Let me just go there. I will pack some, right?
Okay, fine. Let me prepare something for you to eat before you go.
I don't want to eat. Let me go and get money at my shop and come back before these Pawani tapas will leave. Baby.
You're behaving as if you're avoiding me.
I'm not avoiding you. I have to go and make money now. Please allow me.
It's just that I don't know why I'm missing you too much today. I don't want you to go yet.
I miss you more, but I will come back on time. I'll make money for us and we will enjoy.
Go, you want to go. Go.
Stop now, baby, I'm begging. Please, allow me to go now. Please, I'm begging. I said I'll be back soon. Very, very soon I'll be back, right? Let me just go and get money and meet these people before they leave.
Okay.
Baby, I love you, right?
I love you.
I'll do anything for you.
I know.
I love you so much.
Bye-bye.
Oloku, have you gone to carry the Pawani and say you wanted to pay for it?
No, that's what I'm going for, but I wanted to check if you realized any money here.
No, brother. It's just the money from yesterday.
Just the money for yesterday? What have you been doing now? Eh?
Brother, today is Wednesday now. There have not been customers.
I don't understand. I even on gen to attract people.
But I cannot on gen now if there is no customer now. Will I on gen for myself?
Wait, let me check that. What's going on now? Eh? I thought we realized up to 1,000 plus yesterday.
Brother, I used 200 naira to buy food.
You used 200 naira to buy food? Are you sure?
Yes.
Or did you use 200 naira to buy food for that girl?
No, I always used to buy food. I didn't buy anything for any girl. It was food that I bought.
It's fine, let me rush because DJ take a...
Okay, safe journey.
I will come back. I'll come back soon.
Alright, safe journey.
What's going on? What's happening? What's happening? Stop it! Why are you harassing this man with a gun? What's going on?
My prince, this man here killed somebody in the bush.
For real?
Yes, with a gun.
My prince, I'm only but a hunter. I thought it was a wild animal. It was after shooting that I noticed that I have killed a human being.
Are you telling me the truth?
Yes, my prince. Yes, my prince. It was a mistake. It was a mistake. It was not intentional, my prince.
My prince, nothing justifies a killer. He's a killer.
I am not a killer, my prince. I'm not a killer.
Okay, you know what? Take me to where the corpse is, okay? I want to see this personally. Go.
Okay, my prince.
Sam, we'll drive behind them.
Don't harass him. Don't.
You're OBDK, right?
Yes, I want
Come with me.
What is it?
It's about your brother. I had an accident. Let's go.
My brother?
Just come. The
What?
friend wants to see you. Let's
What?
go. Let's go.
What? Wait, 1 minute, sorry.
Can you leave this shop and let's
One
go?
minute.
I'm so sorry, sir. It was just a mistake, sir. It was not intentional, sir.
CJ, I want my son's corpse.
Okay, sir. The prince's guard that has been helping me has gone to tell the prince what is happening to see if he's going to help me.
Was it the prince that asked you to go for today's hunting?
No. I was shouting for help when I came out on the road. And I met with the prince's guard who helped me rush your brother to the hospital with the prince's car. And I've also reported to the vigilante. And I also pleaded with the prince's guard to help me beg Prince to see if he's going to help me.
Can you listen to me now? I want to see my son.
Okay, Nemi, it's okay. Stop crying. It's okay.
You want to die too?
Crying from now till tomorrow will not bring him back. You know that. It's okay. Put yourself together. Julie, one minute, please. Oh.
Hey!
Oh.
Okwahe Bugia. They have killed him now. Mercy, is it not? They've killed him. Chiokia. But I was saying it. I was saying it, but nobody was listening. They have killed my love. They have killed my... They have killed the love of my life.
Okay. Okay.
I won't cry. I will not say anything. I will not say anything. I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm okay.
I understand how you feel.
You said I should keep quiet, that God will avenge him.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
I should not cry. That God will take care of this.
Yes.
That God will take care of
Yes.
this.
God will take care of everything.
Okay.
Oh, God will avenge his death.
Will God take care of my heart? Who will tell me it's okay when... Hey!
Okay. It's okay.
Mama, they have killed him now. Hey, Bugoni, I know Hey! Stop crying.
Hey!
Stop crying.
It's okay. Do you want to kill yourself? It's okay.
Oh, my love of my life.
I know. I know.
See, Julie, please.
What about your parents?
They went out to... They went out. They're not around.
I'm so sorry, okay? I would have been here since yesterday. But you see, I have been very busy lately. Okay? Please do inform them when they return. You see, the prince would have been here since last week. Okay? But he has been running these errands for his father, the king. And I know you understand. Although I have gone to the mortuary myself for 4 times now. Yes, and they keep telling me one story or the other that the mortuary attendants are not available. It's the last time they told me the other one was sick, and the other day they were telling me that the other one was going to the village to attend the burial and will be returning next weekend.
Well, there's no problem. Whereas we've accepted Okuduli's death the way it came. At this point, we're ready for anything. Just let me know when you and the prince is ready for the burial. We're ready. Anyhow, we're ready.
That won't be a problem, okay?
Okay.
At this point, I just need you to take her and be strong.
Thank you. I am strong. I am really strong.
It's alright, but please don't forget to inform your parents when they return.
Okay, I will.
I'll be on my way now.
Alright, no problem. Have a nice day.
Yeah. Thank you very much, okay?
All
Thank you
right.
very much.
Alright. Okudili.
Mama, what is it? What is going on?
The same story.
Hey,
The same story.
what is happening? Oh God, what is it? God help us.
Hold yourself, hold yourself. Let's go inside.
Mama, it's okay.
What's your mother?
It's okay, Mama. It's okay.
Yes, Sam.
My prince.
I need to ask you, what do you think? How far and how well have we done?
I'm sorry, my prince. On what area are you talking about?
Well, I'm talking about my quest for Juliana.
Well, in as much as she's feeling bad about the whole thing, to me, I feel she'll still have to come around. Yeah, just be patient, my prince. And all you need to do now is to put a little more exercise on it.
My love for you is unbreakable. My love for you never fade away. It's you I want, it's you I want to have. No matter what they do, I'll never let you go. Makaneme man no so kibu onyembu no pia. If I saw baby, I'll never leave your side. My heart will stick with you.
This is why I called your attention.
Okay, what is it? I'm listening.
I know you love Okudili so much and have patiently waited for him all these years. But as you can see, man proposes and God disposes. So what we are asking for now is a replacement or a better person. Mama, what are you driving at? Nothing, no. Nothing. Biko, but I want to ask you one question. Okay, what is it? Okay. As it is now, after Okuduli's burial, and you might have mourned him as much as you want. If the prince comes for your hand in marriage, will you marry him? I knew this was exactly where you're driving at. Oh, Mama, I'm disappointed. With all due respect, I am disappointed. Mama, how could you? How could you even be suggesting something like this? When we are yet to bury or even find the corpse of the man who has been nothing but good to this family. This guy, Okudili, was nice to you. He was nice to Papa, he was nice to me. This was his second family. They are yet to find his corpse, but here you are, trying to pitch me into marrying another man. Mama, what kind of mother are you? Don't you have conscience? If Okudili were to be your son and some other woman whose daughter was supposed to whose daughter he was supposed to marry is saying this to her daughter, and you get to hear of it, how would you react? Mama, don't you have conscience?
I want to insult to me again. What is the problem now? Go and ask any mother that have a full-grown-up woman like you at home. Go and ask them what they are going through. Julie, there are so many men who are coming for a hand in marriage. If I want to force you to marry any of them, I can with the help of your father. I'm paying it off. Yes, but I am also waiting patiently for him. But he's nowhere to be found. Or something like him. Don't insult me.
Mama, why now? No, really, why now? Don't you have conscience? Don't you have conscience? This is wrong now. This is wrong. How can you be saying something like this at a time like this?
Because the prince, his majesty, and the queen, Jainonu, they are at our neck. They are holding us here. They need an answer. Think about it, though. Think about it. Think about it.
They are desperate, they are desperate, they no get shame at all of them are gold digger. They are desperate, Anya fati chokununa. They no get shame at all. Almost a village,
Gift, Chinayam, Mercy, where are you headed?
We went to see our friend, Juliana.
Okay, yes. At this point in time, she really needs you. Nice one.
My friends, we have not been seeing you around. Are you avoiding us?
Avoiding you? What for? No, I mean, I've been running up and down trying to make sure that this dead Baba's issue is resolved. Matter of fact, I'm on my way to the mortuary now to see if they can release the corpse to us.
Now, wow. Just see the way they're messing around with someone's corpse. As if it's a toy children plays with. It's not good though. God is watching us.
I know, there is God actually. So, not to worry, I'll still catch up with you ladies, okay? I will still catch up with you ladies. So please, just go. I'll still catch up with you, Stay safe, stay good, okay? Alright.
Bye, my friends.
Everybody want to marry the prince, yeah. See this girl, so they disgrace their mama. Desperate chicks, they want marry the prince, yeah. Jay, they no say the prince in Abadoski. With so much power, just like he in the busky. Onya palopo dano soka pakwa no nyazo. Okubafa senses, no, one by one. They are desperate, village guys. They are desperate, village. They no get shame at all. Desperate village girls. All of them are gold digger. Desperate village girls. They are desperate, village girls. Anya fadi chokununa. Desperate village. They no get shame at all. Desperate village girls.
So what are you talking about?
Hey.
Huh?
Look, some people carry the wrong cups, so and they let that one, so we have to find a way to sort things out.
You mean after our long journey to this place and all the time we spent, you still have the God to tell me these crap stories? Just
Sir, please don't shout here.
Huh?
Or make unnecessary noise.
What's the meaning of that? Who's making unnecessary noise? You know that comes and you're still making unnecessary noise. Huh?
I didn't mean that. What I mean is this is mortuary. So, and we have rules and regulations. We have rules that guide this place. So
you don't mean that?
So we'll find a way to sort things out.
Better sort it out.
Yes.
You better sort it out now.
I will try.
We're making unnecessary noise.
I wonder.
Just imagine.
Huh? Oh, we carry you now in replace. I will carry you now.
My dear, how do we do this? I just finished discussing with the prince that will bury an empty coffin.
I don't know what to say, Mama. I just thank God for everything.
See, I want you to put yourself together. I will tell the prince that will carry the oil we discussed. God knows the best. Okay?
Take it easy. You want to kill yourself? Me, I cannot bury two people. Take it easy now, Mama. What's this now? You've been crying since.
It's okay.
Mama, it's okay. Mama, it's okay. It's okay, Mama.
Talk to your mother.
Crying will not bring him back.
I don't understand.
Stop now. Mama, it's okay. Mama, it's okay. Stop crying.
So tell me, what's the good news you wanted to break to me?
Are you sure you want to hear?
Of course I want to hear.
I am pregnant.
Really?
Mm-hmm. And I'm very sure the baby is going to be a boy.
So what makes you think he's going to be a boy?
Because we have 2 girls and 4 boys. And my family is well known for producing male children. And my father is the 2nd out of 7 boys.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
That is good.
Yes, now.
Wow, nice.
So?
So why are you not aborting it like you do other ones?
What?
Come on, why are you not taking some contraceptives to kick off this thing?
Really?
Of course, really.
Knock off what? Your hair?
Come on, it's only a fetus right now. Knock it off.
But I thought you men like it when your women get pregnant before going to see their families.
Other men, not me. I mean, I am forbidden to get married to a woman who is already pregnant. I cannot pay that woman's bride price. I'm a custodian of culture and tradition. Yes, so you have to knock this thing off if you want to get married to me, baby. Come on.
That I should remove it?
Yes, if you want to get married to me. That's my girl. Come here. Yes. Come on. I mean, after all, you're fruitful. Huh?
Don't worry. I'll get rid of it.
Yes, because I know you get pregnant at the right time.
Mm-hmm. And because I love you, that's why I'm removing it.
Yeah. I love you too.
My love for you is unbreakable. My love for you never fade away. It's you I want, it's you I want to love. No matter what they do, I'll never let you go. Makaneme no man now. Eme no man so keep on no pia. If I saw of
Brother Okui, good afternoon.
Yeah.
Sajulu, good afternoon.
Yeah.
Papa said I should come and call you so you bring the money so he can meet up with the elders.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, tell him I'm coming now. Right?
Okay.
I'll join you soon.
All right.
All right. I'm having fun with my baby.
Okay.
I'll go and see my Give me what I say. Come.
I go stand giddy by hele. For your love, I go sick I go make them to pay. Say this love will not be good.
I'll do it well.
My love for you is unbreakable. My love for you never fade away. It's you I want, it's you I want to have. No matter what they do, I'll never let you go. Like an emenu man now. Emenu man so kibu onyembu no pia. If I saw of a baby, I'll never leave your side. My heart will stick with you. Even though if the world is turning upside down, I go stand giddy by hele. For your love, I go sick I go make them to pay. Say this love will not be good. I go stand giddy by hele. For your love, I go sick I go make them to pay. Say this love.
Juliana, why are you doing this to yourself? Eh? Sitting all alone here crying. You try me a long way, Garo. It's okay, oh? It's okay if you are crying like this. What will you do on the day an empty coffin will be buried? Eh? You bagaze anemia. It's okay, it's okay. Huh? It's okay.
My love for you is unbreakable.
It's okay, it's okay.
You know what? It's you I want, it's you I want to have.
He's gone, he's gone.
It's
okay. Let him stop crying.
She used to walk around with Chinanya and Messi. Gift. Oh no! Gift is dead. Gift.
She's dead though.
She's dead.
Wait. Stay away from Bamri land. Come. Hey, come on.
I'm telling you, that's what has been happening. You see these Mbamiri people. This is what they've been doing. They have been killing our people for no reason. Gift's dead. They did it. I know for sure they did it. They did it. I'm telling you. I keep telling Father, let us retaliate. Let's hit them back. Father will say no. I'll tell him, action begets reaction. Let us make it happen. He says no. Your king is a peace-loving man. Father is too peaceful. And I tell him that's why they keep taking him for a ride. That's why they keep taking this kingdom for a ride. But here's what I did. I talked to his cabinet chiefs. I told them about everything. I told them how we are losing our power. And then last night, all of us talked to Father. He now saw reasons. So you see, we are going to attack Mbami. We'll attack them, give them their own pound of flesh. But this is a secret. Nobody must know this. I'm only telling you this because I love you. It's a kingdom secret. Okay?
Okay, my
prince. Good girl. Good girl, okay? Good girl. So that's it. Everything will be fine. But
my prince.
yes.
I asked to see you because there's something I want to tell you.
Something you want to tell me? Okay. What is it? Come on.
My prince.
Yes.
I'm pregnant.
For?
I'm pregnant for you.
You're pregnant for me.
That's my prince.
Okay. All right. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. Yes, but you have to remove it.
No, my prince.
No, you have to remove it.
My prince, no. I can't do that.
What do you mean? No, what are you saying?
My prince, don't you get it? I love you.
If you love me, you get this thing out. Forgive me for saying this thing, but that's the truth. I mean, right now it's purchase, but it just has to go.
My prince, no. I cannot abort our child. No. Mm-mm.
Really? And you want me to marry you? You see, the problem is you don't understand royalty. You'd stay. Listen, if I would marry you as a prince, my wife must come without nothing. I mean, nothing should be in her. She must come clean. That is tradition. Checks will be done. And if they find out anything is here, no, it can never happen. My first wife, it must happen that way. Yes.
You said you will marry me.
I said so.
And I think this pregnancy is a proof for the king and his queen to allow us get married.
God, you're not understanding tradition, are you? It is impossible. So what are we going to do? What?
My prince.
Yes.
I have one of my auntie from Bagada's village. She has been asking for me to come stay with her for a while. I think that place will actually be the perfect place for me to carry this baby and give birth to the child.
That's what you want to do?
Yes, my prince.
You're sure?
Yes, my prince.
That's what you want to do, really?
That's the only option I have left, my prince.
My child. Okay. All right. No problem. So here's what, I'll make necessary provisions for you to go there. Give you every single thing you want, okay?
Oh, my prince. You're such a nice man.
I know.
Thank you.
So, when are you leaving? Today?
Huh?
Can you leave today?
Today?
Yes, today.
Onye palọpụta n'ụzọ ka akpakwa n'onye ọzọ. Ọkụbafa senses no one by one. They are desperate, village girls. They are desperate, village. They no get shame at all. Desperate village girls. All of them are gold digger. They are desperate.
You are from the prince. The prince sent you.
Are you Mercy?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. I have your back.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Obi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Obi, but why were you avoiding me at the day of your brother's burial?
Whose brother's burial? Or you mean the day they buried an empty coffee with my brother's things in it? Look, as far as I'm concerned, they have not done my brother's burial. That's not my brother's burial. So stop saying they've done my brother's burial.
Okay, but why were you avoiding me? I just wanted to sympathize with you.
And that's because I don't want anybody to sympathize with me. I don't need anybody's sympathy and their fake sorry. Everybody wants to tell me sorry all of a sudden. I don't want it. Nobody should tell me sorry.
Okay, I understand. Let's change the topic.
Anyway, Julie is coming. She will change the topic for us. Want to sympathize with me.
Juliana, what is wrong?
What's the
happening?
problem?
Talk to us, please. Sit down.
Come on, sit down.
So you people have not heard?
Heard what?
What's the problem?
I'm just coming back from the market. I saw Mercy's mother. Other people, there was just this little crowd around her. I asked what the problem is, because I saw her crying. And then she said since Mercy traveled to her sister's place that she has not heard from her. That she didn't bother calling her on the day she left with the hope that she's already there and she's safe. Only for her to meet one of her relations in the market today. You know today is Eke market day.
Yes, I know.
So somebody from Bagada village came to buy something. She asked her how Mercy is. And the person said that Mercy has not gotten to Bagada village. They've not seen her. She has not been there since.
How come?
How?
I asked the same question. But the information reaching us now is that that same day Mercy left from Bagada village, a bus that loaded to that destination plunged into water.
Hey!
And every passenger in that bus died.
Hey! Mercy!
Chimo.
Mercy! Hey!
Nobody is sure if she boarded the bus, so they are trying to find out if she was among the passengers.
Hey, Mercy, Mercy, Mercy. Hey, no. Hey. Hey.
How?
Jesus, oh. Not another one. No, not after gifts now. No.
Yes. No, not to worry, man. I'll be back. I got you, man. Yeah, have a nice one, man. Okay. All right. Sure. Yeah. My friend is from Canada. Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah, so he keeps asking when am I going to get back.
My prince, they have had you enough. It's our turn to be with you. It's just that you have been avoiding me since the death of Gift and disappearance of Mercy.
Wait, hold on. I don't understand. Wait, do you see what has happened to them as a cute situation for you to now be with me alone?
No, my prince, but you know we are very close.
What is wrong with you? What's wrong with you? I mean, we shouldn't be mushy at this point in time. No, we shouldn't be this. This umbrella situation shouldn't even come to play. Think of your friends.
My prince, you're right. But you know, I have a feeling that someone has been fighting them over something. And this is the reason why they were taking off.
Yeah. I mean, the way they were just killed together.
Killed? But the police has not confirmed she's dead.
Oh, I mean, Gift killed and then Mercy, Mercy disappeared. But I just wonder where she is,
I wonder.
Yes.
But at the end of all this, if Mercy come out and tell one of her story, I'll make her pay dearly. It's not funny.
Let's just keep our fingers crossed.
I pray.
So we see. It's responding well. It's just that you are running short of money by next week.
Well, not to worry, I'll give you money and also extra money for the weekend.
My prince. Now, person who don't know you, they call you small boy for where money there. Yes, of course. Now money they chase you nowadays now.
Well, I like us to be on the same page. If for any reason whatsoever, he escapes and tries to come back to this village, kill him. I said terminate him permanently. His association with that girl actually pisses me off.
That's for sure, boss. He's under drugs 24/7. Nothing is happening. And nothing can happen here.
I just want us to be on the same page.
Boss, I know I don't have good character. Yeah? But in the line of business, you can trust me 100%. But don't like me at all. Yeah, man.
Everybody want to follow the prince, yeah. Everybody want to marry the prince, yeah. I see this girl, so they disgrace their mama. Desperate chicks, they want marry the prince, yeah. Jay, they no say the prince in Nabadoski. With his so much power, just like he in Daboski. Onya balopota no soka bakwa no nyazo. Okuba fa senses no one by one. They are desperate, village girls. They are desperate, village. They no get shame at all. Desperate village girls. All of them are go digger. Village girls. They are desperate, village girls. Anya fadi chokununa. Village. They no get shame at all. Desperate village girls. Umwaseme village, yeah. Desperate village girls. Everybody want to follow the prince, yeah. Everybody want to marry the prince, yeah. I see this girl, so they disgrace their mama. Desperate chicks.
Nene, what exactly are you talking about?
The truth, of course. The truth. All the girls in this community are taking turns to be with the prince. And he would only take advantage of our naivety. Yet he insists that it is you he loves.
I am still waiting for the part where you tell me why exactly you're saying all these things to me.
Juliana, I was jealous at first when the prince kept insisting with his desire to make you his wife. But now I come to realize that I cannot come between you and the love he has for you. So...
God, Chineye, sometimes you can be very funny. Because you sound very funny. Chekwa, let me ask you a question. So if they tell you that me, Juliana, will ever have anything to do with that promiscuous prince, you believe it? No. So if you...
Oh, you never can tell.
My dear, please let me tell you what will happen. I can never in my life, not in this life, in another life, have anything to do with that kind of person. What are you talking about? People taking turns.
My dear, I agree. Because any man that behaves like that prince will definitely be guilty of infidelity in marriage.
Oh, you know. You know.
My eyes are now open.
Okay, you're not sleeping again.
I beg again. Don't mock me, please.
My dear, please let me go and get my melon so you help me peel it.
Help you what? Did I come here to work with you? I beg, bring me some food and chill coke. Let me eat and drink something. This one is too much, sir.
You are welcome to Juliana's kitchen.
So, my prince, by this evening, he will be fully regaining consciousness and he will start asking questions.
Yes. By then he'll be in a safe house where he'll be constantly monitored until I'm done with my plans or decide on what to do with him. Yes.
One more thing, my prince. These particular drugs must be administered to him every 6 hours.
And why?
To keep him off from remembering anything.
Okay. That's not a problem. I have a guy and a girl who can stay in the same flat with him and act like they're friends. That's not a problem.
In that case, you have nothing to worry about.
Good. Very good.
Said your name is what again?
Amanda, and this is Joshua, my fiance.
Thank you so much for reminding me. Can you give me something to eat? I'm hungry, I want to eat.
Sure. Please, I'll be back.
Just be patient, okay? She'll be back soon with your food.
Say, okay, we all should buckle up our heads, and when that happens, we'll all smile at the end of the rope.
Yes, my prince.
See, by the time I'm married to Juliana and off to the US, trust me when I say every single person will be well compensated.
I believe you, my prince.
Promise them.
I know what you can do, my prince. Like I always tell you, you can count on me anytime. No loose ends.
Nah, no loose ends. I like this man. Yeah. No loose ends. Yes. No loose ends. Okay.
My love for you is unbreakable. My love for you will never fade away. It's you I want, it's you I want to have. No matter what they do, I'll never let you go. Makaneme man now. Emenu man so kibu onyembu no pia. If I saw a family, Okutile kamu yeso. I'll never leave your side. My heart will stick with you. Even though if the world is turning upside down, I go stand giddy bahele. For your love, I go sick. I go make them to query. Say this love will not be kukere. I go stand giddy bahele. For your love, I go sick. I go make them to query. Say this love will not be kukere. I it the breeder. Whoa, oh, oh, I, Zadadadai. My love for you is unbreakable. My love for you will never fade away. It's you I want, it's you I want to have. No matter what they do, I'll never let you go. Makaneme man now. Emenu man so kibu onyembu no pia. If I saw a family, Okutili kamu yeso. I'll never leave your side. My heart will stick with you. Even though if the world is turning upside down, I go stand giddy bahele. For your love, I go seke. I go make them to quere. Say this love will not be kukere. I go stand giddy bahele. For your love, I go seke. I go make them to.
What I don't understand here is, Ada, did you find out anything bad about the prince lately that made you cancel the traditional marriage that you have been preparing?
Nai, why are you asking this stupid girl that question? Okay, forget Juliana, you will disgrace yourself, not me. That music you want to play and dance, you got boy alone. I will not join you. Okay, Nania?
Mama, Papa, what I have been hammering on and what I am saying right now is very simple. If truly the prince loves me like he claims to, then he should wait. I did not say I will not marry him at all at any time, but I only said he should wait. It's too sudden for me to move on now. You know, sometimes I even feel like Okudili is still there with me. I sleep at night and I feel him beside me. I'm still grieving. That's a sign to show I'm still grieving. Let me finish grieving, then I can move on with my life. Because if it were to be the prince, let's say the tables were turned, and he's the one in the position of Okudili, and I just move on like that, how will he feel? Don't he have conscience? I have conscience if he doesn't. I have conscience, it's wrong.
Now I know you are mad. Kita kama mwane na apu ala. You know enwala nwu na-ekwuzi okwu. But Juliana, you now communicate with the dead. Okay, no, the prince will bring table, bring chair, to wine and beg you to marry him, Makanebo Juliana. Right? Okay, in this house, you will not stay here with me, Kwamaka. I have your cure and engage you all. We're working here. Ayeti.
Papa, Mama, excuse me.
She's walking out.